Alright guys, 2015 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on this beautiful automobile of today, Camaro. 4 cats, they're there. H-pipe, factory, there. We didn't cut it off. We were going to put an X-pipe, but we changed our mind and left the H-pipe. Did the mid resonator delete. And mid rear muffler delete, there. And there. Did I say mid muffler delete? Rear muffler delete. And 4.5-inch black rolled tips there and right there, as you guys can see. There's the 2 resonators that we cut off. There's the gigantic mufflers we cut off, as you guys can see. So it's fully straight pipe other than the H pipe. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please subscribe. It's so loud. Again? Go ahead. Bro, 123? Awesome. Go ahead and back it up. You hear it off the wall. You hear off the mountain in the back. Wow, it's so loud. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Another 15 Camaro, H-pipe, straight pipe.